Yes. Yes, please. Next, polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are made by carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. They are in the ratio of 1:2:1. Example C6H12O6. 1:2:1. Similarly, is ribose C5H10O5. And the polysaccharides are long chain of sugars. Polysaccharides are long chain of sugars. Okay. Now, polysaccharides, yes, also known as carbohydrates. The term carbohydrate is derived from French term. Is a French term. It has CnH2ON or CH2ON. Yes, carbohydrates are the organic substances having carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, where hydrogen, oxygen occur in the ratio of 2:1 as found in water, and carbohydrates are the carbohydrates are another one is carbohydrates. So you look here. So this is CH2OH. So this is OH, and then next see, this is the chain. Okay. Now, and in case of polysaccharides, these are the chain of sugars. These are the chain of sugars. Yes. Polysaccharides, also known as carbohydrates. These are the chain of sugars, and the polysaccharide is a polymer. The monomer, the unit of polysaccharide is sugar. Cellulose is a homopolymer. It is made by glucose units only. Cellulose is a polymer. It is made, the monomer is glucose. Hence, all monomers are glucose. All monomers are similar. Hence, it is called homopolymer. Starch is a homopolymer, and unit a monomer is glucose. It is the helical secondary structure. Starch is the regular food of plants. Okay. Glycogen. Starch is converted to glycogen in case of animals. The regular food of animals is glycogen. It is a homopolymer. Next, inulin is a polymer of fructose in a polysaccharide chain. So this is a polysaccharide chain. Chain, the right end is, so this is right side, right end, left end. Right end is a reducing end, and left end is a non-reducing end. Non-reducing end. So this is the structure. So this part is expanded in this box. Now in this part, this. Okay, and this part is like this, and this is the branch. This is the branch. Okay, starch can hold iodine, gives blue color. Cellulose is not a complex helix, does not give blue color or contact to iodine. Glucosamine, N-acetyl galactosamine are the complex sugars. Complex sugars are complex polysaccharides, or complex carbohydrates are heteropolymer. They are made by different units. Now, They are made by different units. Okay, and now here polysaccharides is take part in structural framework of cell walls in plants and skeleton of animals. Polysaccharides, structural polysaccharides are mainly two types, chitin and cellulose. Chitin is the second most abundant organic substance. Chitin is a complex carbohydrate. Chitin is a complex carbohydrate. Complex carbohydrates are heteropolymers, and then in chitin the basic unit is not glucose but a nitrogen containing glucose is a derivative known as N-acetyl glucosamine. N-acetyl glucosamine. Cellulose, it is a fibrous homopolysaccharide. Cellulose is a fibrous homopolysaccharide. Okay, and then yes, tunicin in case of tunicates. Tunicin of tunicates is related to cellulose, and cellulose is the most abundant organic substance of the biosphere. Now, cellulose molecules have unbranched and linear chains, unlike branched and helical chains of starch and glycogen. Okay, and then here the cellulose molecules do not occur singly. Instead, a number of chains are arranged in close anti-parallel fashion. Now, say the functions of polysaccharides. Starch and glycogen are the major storage foods of organic world. On hydrolysis, storage of carbohydrates provide both energy and carbon chains. Chitin is the structural carbohydrate of fungal walls and exoskeleton of arthropods. Cellulose is the structural substance of cell walls in most of the plants. Cellulose is economically important in the production of furniture, shelter, fuel, paper, textiles, ropes, cellophane, plastics, etc. For human beings, cellulose has a rough face value, but it is a food for ruminants, snails and termites. Mucilage is present as a protective coating around the aquatic plants. Bacteria are derived from polysaccharides. Okay, and then I have given is some more points. Glycogen is a polysaccharide. Glycogen is a reserve food of animals, bacteria and fungi. Glycogen is popularly called animal starch. Glycogen is mainly stored inside liver and muscles, and yes, the polysaccharide gives a reddish color with iodine. Chemically, glycogen is similar to starch, and then inulin is a fructose storage polysaccharide of roots and the tubers of Dahlia. Okay, and now the unit of polysaccharides are monosaccharides. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates which are formed by polymerization of large number of monosaccharide monomers. Polysaccharides, also called glycans. Polysaccharides are long chain. The right end of polysaccharide is the reducing end, while the left end is named as non-reducing end. The chains may be branched or unbranched depending upon the composition. Polysaccharides are two types: homopolysaccharides, heteropolysaccharides. I have given examples. Now, polysaccharides, monosaccharides. N is N monosaccharides. N C6H12O6. It is a monosaccharide. It is the monosaccharide. And then a polysaccharide is it gives polysaccharide NC5H10O5 plus NH2O use is polysaccharide. Now the unit of polysaccharide is monosaccharide. One is 2 to 9 monosaccharides to form oligosaccharides. Many monosaccharides use polysaccharides. So we have oligosaccharides and polygosaccharides. Oligosaccharides contain 2 to 9 monosaccharide residues. Polysaccharides possess a large number of monosaccharide residues. Oligosaccharides are soluble in water. Polysaccharides usually insoluble. Oligosaccharides are commonly sweet to taste. Polysaccharides are sweetness. In polysaccharides, sweetness is absent. In oligosaccharides, transport of carbohydrate occurs in oligosaccharide state. In polysaccharides are not involved in transport. Oligosaccharides, storage in oligosaccharide state is less common. In case of polysaccharides, storage occurs in polysaccharide state. And oligosaccharides, they form component of external surface of plasma membrane and cell coat. Polysaccharides form component of cell wall. Example for oligosaccharides: sucrose, maltose, etc. Polysaccharides example: starch, glycogen, cellulose. Starch, glycogen, cellulose. Okay, and these are the polysaccharides. So polysaccharides poly means many, saccharide means sugar. Many units of sugar. The unit of polysaccharide is monosaccharide. 2 to 9 monosaccharides next to form oligosaccharides. Many oligosaccharides next to form polysaccharide. The plant polysaccharide is starch. Animal polysaccharide is glycogen. Okay, polysaccharides are two types: homopolymers, heteropolymers. Heteropolymers are complex polysaccharides. Chitin and glucosamine, glucosamine, N-acetate, galactosamine are the complex sugars. Complex sugars are heteropolymers, and then here the right end, left end. Right end is reducing end, and left end is non-reducing end. Left end is non-reducing end. Okay, so this you have to remove. This you have to remove. And then once again I will repeat: polysaccharides are carbohydrates. Polysaccharides are basic components of our food are polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are produced during photosynthesis. Polysaccharides are found in acid insoluble pellet. Polysaccharides are compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. The proportion of polysaccharides is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Hydrogen, oxygen is the ratio of 2:1. General formula is CnH2nOn. General formula is CnH2nOn. It is the general formula of carbohydrates. General formula of carbohydrates. Now, is complex carbohydrate C6H10O5 to the power of n. C6H10O5 n to the power of n. C5 n to the power of n are the complex polysaccharides. Cellulose is a complex carbohydrate. Cellulose is the house of energy in plant tissues. The storehouse of energy in plant tissues is the starch. Cellulose is a homopolymer. Reserve food of animals is glycogen. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. In a polysaccharide chain, the right end is called reducing end, left end is called non-reducing end. Plant cell walls are made up of cellulose. Paper made from plant pulp is cellulose. Cotton fiber is cellulose. More complex polysaccharides are amino sugars, are chemically modified sugars, glucosamine, N-acetyl,